In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload documents to FreeTaxUSA. Now, FreeTaxUSA allows you to upload PDFs or take photos of various forms. So, for example, maybe of W-2s, 1099s, 1098s, whatever you're trying to actually upload, you can do this all throughout your filing process inside your return. So, just go and basically go to a form where you want to upload it, upload a document. So, for example, if I go to income, and for this tutorial, I'm going to do wages, W-2 here. If I click on here, it's going to allow me to basically add a form. There's a bunch of different ones. You should be able to do this pretty much everywhere where there's forms you could possibly upload, and then click on add W2 or whatever you're doing, and here you're going to have three options: enter it manually, scan with phone, or you could also upload a file. So to upload documents, usually you're going to have to click on the upload a file button if it's available. Most of the times it should be. Then click on continue, and then it's going to allow you to basically choose a file, and it must be smaller than 16 megabytes, and it has to be either a PDF, JPEG, or PNG. So just click on choose a file, select one from your computer, click on it, and then whenever you basically upload it in, you'll be able to kind of preview it and review if everything is kind of correct on that specific form or document you uploaded, and then you'll be able to basically save that, and it's going to go inside your documents, or of course it's going to get added inside your return. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.